today I'm going to show you this beautiful Lagos villa, a fully equipped villa, fully staffed, that provides all meals, all service, and it's located in a prime area in the community because it has views to the Bay of Bandeiras and to the gorgeous Pacifico Golf Course. Let me show you. There are two main sections for this villa. One of them is composed of 7 suites and the other one is the social area composed of 2 suites, but then it has a palapa and a central entertainment center where you can find a cinema room, a large outdoor dining space and an open bar. This is the entertainment area of the house and an area that is assigned for children and teenagers. It's composed of the media room. It has 2 rooms with 2 double beds each, 1 room with 3 single beds. The main suite of this villa is large and beautiful. It has a beautiful view and it has a living area with books and amazing artwork. It has a king bed and a large smart TV, and its bathroom is composed of all the modern commodities and comforts that you can expect in a villa of this profile. This is a typical suite. Each suite has its own bathroom, so they're all en suite. All of them have blackout curtains. 5 of them are king. 2 of them have 2 double beds. 1 of them has 3 individual beds. This is the cinema room, large, ample, beautiful, under the palapa, open space that leads to this social area comprised of a large dining table and has a support service bar here, yet again with another TV that leads into this beautiful veranda facing the golf course and 1 lounge area. For those who enjoy working out, this gym has everything that you need. It has all the traditional machines. You can run, you can jog, you can walk, you can climb. And then it has all the necessary weights and pools for calisthenics. And best of all, has this amazing mirror where you can watch yourself getting all sexy and trim for this vacation in Punta Mita. A particular unique detail in this home, something that is really uncommon in Punta Mita because most of the villas just don't have the space, is this amazing soccer and activities court. Outdoor, huge lawn, huge space, shaded areas, wonderful views, and in the center of everything. So in fact, we can have the kids playing and the adults watching with a nice cold drink. Wonderful pool, large, heated, that has a table where you can sit down and enjoy. And this pool faces the Bay of Bandeiras.
Hello everyone, my name is Fernanda and I'm part of the sales team.
Hello, and I am Susana with Partnerships team.
We are here to introduce you to this stunning villa in Punta Mita.
It is a beautiful and very large property, perfect for large family gatherings and for guests that are looking for a place to spend their holidays and vacation.
Come and visit us.
Come and visit us.